Hey everyone, it's time for some exciting news from the world of augmented reality. Google and Magic Leap have just announced a groundbreaking partnership that's set to shake up the AR industry. But first, let's back up a bit. Google has had its ups and downs in the AR space, with its AR glasses Project Iris going through multiple cancellations and revivals. However, it seems like Google is doubling down on AR with this new partnership with Magic Leap, a leader in AR and optics technology. So, what does this partnership entail? According to the announcement, Magic Leap's expertise in AR and optics will be combined with Google's technology platforms to create a whole new range of immersive experiences. While it's unclear if this collaboration will result in a new AR device, the potential is certainly there. Google has been making strides in the AR space with its Micro XR platform, designed for AR glasses. And with Magic Leap's CTO expressing excitement about integrating AI with AR, the possibilities are endless. Now, you might be wondering about Google's existing partnerships, particularly with Samsung. Well, fear not, because according to reports, the Magic Leap partnership won't affect Google's collaboration with Samsung on XR products. So, what does this mean for the future of AR? Well, it looks like we're in for some truly groundbreaking developments. Stay tuned for more updates on this exciting partnership, and in the meantime, don't forget to subscribe for the latest tech news and updates.